Today we're going to talk to you about what to do in case your water or your ice begins to continually dispense. Occasionally this will occur when either this lever right here or the switch it's attached to becomes stuck. Now this generally happens because we get our drink before we get our ice. The drink splashes, especially sodas and juices that have a lot of sugar content. So the way to prevent this from ever occurring would be always get your glass before you add your drink. Now, in the event this occurs, what do we do to stop the flow of ice or water so we don't damage our home? Well, there's two things. One is a temporary, immediate. While you're getting water or ice, as soon as you open either door, it stops. The unit will not dispense water nor ice while a door is open. Well, you can't leave your door open until you can get a service tech out there. So what you can also do, if you can remember this, or open the door until you can go look for this article again, what you can do is if you're dispensing water, you can wake the board up, press and hold the lock button, and when you lock the control panel, the water and the ice cuts off. Now this panel has been disabled, and since the switch is part of this, you won't be getting water or ice coming out. So just remember, opening a door will quickly stop the issue, and then remembering to lock your panel. Now keep in mind, if somebody comes by and unlocks the panel, the water or ice will probably start re-coming out. So at this point is a good time to contact your LG service representative.